think about how complicated watching TV has become, right? Like different subscriptions, endless passwords, rising monthly costs, and too many remotes to keep track of. Most of us have been there, constantly switching between apps, paying for multiple services, and still not finding exactly what we want to watch, right? I mean, guilty, been there, done that. Now, imagine having one simple device that cuts through all that noise. That's what Flixy is designed to do. So today I'm here to talk to you guys about Flixy because this tiny little gadget is so cool. I mean, I can't show you my TV right now because YouTube rules, strict new rules, and probably they're not going to be happy about it. You get it, right? But let me tell you, Flixy has been a life changer. I mean, it's easy to control, it's easy to install, and even for little kids to manage it is simply easy. So below this video, guys, I left Flixy's official webpage, okay? Do pop over there if you want to purchase it and if you want to get to know more about Flixy. Lots of cool infos, lots of cool apps for you to check out as well, like all the need to know bases right there, okay? So this tiny little stick, right? No bigger than the palm of your hand, like yay big. It plugs directly into your TV's HDMI port, and in just a few seconds, it transforms any screen into a smart all-in-one entertainment center. So with Flixy, you can explore thousands of movies, series, live TV channels, documentaries, international programming, and even live sports, all without the hassle of juggling multiple platforms and multiple remote controls, right? So it has like a really easy setup, guys. There's no complicated installation, just plug Flixy into your TV, connect to the Wi-Fi, and you're ready to start streaming. The interface is clean and simple. It's designed so anyone from kids to adults to our grandparents can navigate effortlessly, okay? But what you have to know is that what makes Flixy stand out is its variety. You know, it offers so much. Whether you're in the mood for a blockbuster movie or a classic series, a live sports match, or international programming, Flixy promises to deliver it all just in one place. So no restrictions, no switching between different accounts, just everything you love accessible from a single device, which is really good. Hey, I know a person who actually gifted Flixy to their dad, and he's like the happiest dad right now. So even if you're looking to like give someone a present, Flixy's price is really good, and it's a present that people are going to be using each and every day. So I think it makes up for the great present as well, right? And one of the cool things about Flixy is that you get freedom from subscriptions, guys. Like, one of the biggest frustrations of modern streaming is the cost, right? You start with one service, then you add another, and suddenly your entertainment bill is almost as high as cable. So Flixy takes a different approach. It's marketed as a one-time purchase without ongoing monthly fees. That means you can enjoy content without worrying about subscription renewals or surprise charges, okay? So go to that link right now to get your very own Flixy and start watching your favorite movies today. And also, this is a freedom for you, right? Guys, pop over to that link. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.